there was a 2002 Bryant Coast Guard central air conditioner starting up. I didn't notice until now, but this thing actually has a new Bristol compressor in it. Data sheet's gone, and the coil is very corroded. It has a new disconnect. I have to start headed back though, because it's getting ready to rain. The unit used to be here, and that'll wrap it up. I'll see you guys in the next one. So this might as well be titled to start up and run, because it's getting ready to downpour, and here I am running back. Start up and run.